Hello students, how are you all? Hope so you are well at your homes and hope so you are following our subject, I mean physical education, daily, practically as well as theoretically also. So again guys, we will discuss today again chapter number 9. The name of chapter is Psychology and Sports. Today we will discuss about motivation, its types and techniques. So beta, first of all, we should come to know what is motivation. Motivation to motive someone, motivation to encourage someone, motivation to direct for action someone. And in other words, we can say motivation is the inner condition of the individual that initiates or direct his behavior toward a goal. So this is called motivation. In other words, we can say motivation to motivate someone for some task, for some goals. You see, there are so many types of motivation: internal motivation, external motivation, and motivation is a main factor of the life. Without motivation, we cannot do anything. Nowadays, we are feeling crisis, we are having crisis. If we people are motivating you and someone is motivating us, that's why we are living nowadays. That's why we are encouraging ourselves nowadays. Without motivation, we cannot live in the life. We cannot live our life properly even. Sometimes we are motivating you, do study. Sometimes we are punishing you also, do study. Sometimes a coach is a very angry mode. This is also called motivation. Sometimes we are giving you reward. This is also motivation. Just like our management society is giving cash prize for you people, those who are getting very good marks. So this is also a motivation. Sometimes we are calling you on the stage in the assembly also. This is also a motivation. After even inter-house competition, whenever we are giving you a certificates and all, this is also a motivation. So beta, motivation is a large phenomenon. Motivation is playing a huge role in the life, so that we can go ahead, we can come ahead, and we can overcome so many situations if someone is motivating us in positive manners, in for the work progress, for the life even, we can say. In other words, we can say motivation is a life. Motivation is a big part of our life to attain the goal, to achieve the goal, to achieve the task whatsoever we are having. So we will come to next page now. So students, now we will define the motivation word. First of all, definition of the motivation. According to Crookes and Stein, any condition that might energize and direct our action is called motivation. In other words, we can say motivation is an inner condition of an individual that initiates or direct his or her behavior toward goal whatsoever we want to achieve. This is the definition of motivation. So next is types of motivation. First of all, internal motivation. Second is external motivation. Internal motivation is occur when people are compelled to do something out of pleasure, importance or desire. Motivation is always intrinsic when the force come from within yourself, within oneself. One example, when a person include in any sports to have mystery to display spiritually or gain social approval is an intrinsic motivation. I mean, whenever he want to play, she want to perform, automatically she is or he is motivated by himself or herself. Then they can call good performer. They can perform very well. So this is called internal motivation. Now next is external motivation. I mean external motivation. External motivation is occur when factor compel the person to do something. Motivation is always external. When external forces, positive or negative, produced a behavior changes, reward, sometime you will get reward over there, sometime you can get punishment from your teacher, from your coach, from your seniors, sometime you can get praise also, sometime you can blame also, sometime some players, they require blame. You are not playing good, automatically he will feel angry and he will perform very well. Or maybe cash prize are examples of external motivation. You see, these are the factors we can say the external motivation are affecting a player very very good manners. If a sometime teacher is very angry, teacher I mean to say coach or your sports teacher, whenever you are playing, whenever you are performing any kind of activity, you are not doing well, sometime he or she may be angry, your coach I mean to say. So automatically you will also not feel good in front of other students. Whenever teacher said you're not playing good, I will stuck you on the team, out of the team, and you will perform very well afterward. This is also called blame also. Sometime I will tell you, you will get 11,000 rupees if you will take 90% and above marks. I will give you 21,000 rupees. If you will play state level, I will give you 31,000 rupees. If you will play at national level and bring medal for my school, for my Punjab, for my Hoshiarpur also. So this is called external motivation. This coaches can say, this coaches can say these all the things, and so that this is called external motivation. Is it clear now? Now we will come to next page. Now we will discuss about techniques of motivation. Number one is goal setting. But a goal setting is one of the most powerful techniques of motivation. The athlete should be very very specific and clear about the goal, what he have to do, what she have to do, what is his or her target, she have to achieve, he have to achieve this. If these three things are clear in the mind of the athlete or player, then there will be no problem in motivation. And one who will do things accordingly, they will get properly all things, I mean all goal they will achieve. These all things should be very clear: what to do, what he has to do, what she has to do, how and why. They have to follow their sports teacher or coaches for the goal setting. If these things are very very clear, automatically there will be no problem. Second point is reinforcement. But a reinforcement is the use of reward and punishment that will work to either encourage a certain action or decrease it in the future. There are two ways of using reinforcement: a positive approach and a negative approach. The positive approach focused on rewarding appropriate behavior. This increase the likelihood of the behavior happening again. The negative approach focused on punishing undesirable behavior and should lead to the decrease of this behavior in the future. Most coaches and instructor combine positive and negative approach always. But you see, whenever I am teaching you sometime in the ground, I am very very angry on you, you're not running properly, I will do this and that. So this is also called reinforcement. Whenever sometime we are praising you in front of your class, this is also a reinforcement. Then third point is knowledge of progress. The athlete or player should know fully about himself or herself, his or her capacity, quality, behavior, etc. Periodic positive result act as a strong motivational force. One should be made aware about his progress from time to time. I mean, they have to check individually where I am. My speed is less, my strength is less, my behavior is okay or not, either is same. This athlete can check individually these all the things beyond the coach's limit. So this is called, we can say, knowledge of progress. They should come to know where I am and where I have to be. Next is a reward. But a reward is a very fruitful things for any player, even for human being also. I'm not talking about player only. They can be effective for further progress to achieve the goal. This can be a very effective to motivate the player. Suppose you are working in police department, you are working as a sipahi. Automatically your IG said, or either your SP said, if you will bring gold medal for in sports meet of all India police game, so I will make you havaldar. Same in army, you can get promotion over there. Same in school, even we can say कि we can give you good marks if you will bring glory for my school, I mean for Cambridge school. If we are playing outside to play and my principal said, beta, no problem, we will give you grace mark. This is also a reward for you people, and automatically, and you will get so many good things on behalf of that. You can get good results afterward. Automatically you will get so many things if you are getting such kind of things. And next is very important is job. Beta, our sports is depend upon our performance. This all knows. What for long term performance, if you don't have any job, I mean you are unemployed, so you will not perform since so long. Suppose you are playing 3 4 5 years and unemployment basis, how much you can perform? 2 3 4 years only. Afterwards you will search and you will find a job, and you don't have any kind of job, so you will not perform well. So job is a outstanding sports person should be, government should give job and all, so that they can give a good performance for long time. Otherwise they will not give such kind of performances. So there are so many departments in our India also: army departments, police department, paramilitary forces, bank, even ONGC, our so many other LIC also. They are having very good teams, and they are giving so many job opportunities for outstanding players nowadays. Just like railway also, we are having very big department in sports in India. They are providing so many job opportunities for players, those who are outstanding in their respective fields. And beta, next is social award. Beta, social award is very important. You see, social means society. Whenever people know about you, who are you, government of India has every year announced award of outstanding sportsmen, those who are bring laurel and country in the various game and sports. They are honored with so many award. It may be a state award, just like in Punjab we are having Maharaja Ranjit Singh award. Afterward, if you perform at international level, very good. I mean you break any kind of record of the world, of India, of all India sports meet, of police level, of national level even. So you can get Arjuna award. Even for coaches, if coaches teams are playing very good, performing very good, they can get Dronacharya award also. If you are very outstanding, just like at Olympic level also, just like Sushil Kumar, Vijender Singh, just like Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, so you can get Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan award. So this kind of award, if you will get, automatically you will gain yourself more and more. Your achievement will be highlighted in society also. On newspaper your name will be there, on TV you will show for everyone, on media will take you up. This is called social award if you will perform very well, and this is always happening with the motivation always. So we will come to next page now. So beta, next is positive talk. Beta, positive talk, I mean the healthy talk with the players. We should motivate them while walkie talkie also. Positive talk by the teacher, by the coaches, by your principal, one of the best method to motivate of a athlete, of a player. Either you can motivate anyone if your positive talk is there. Someone is very weak but you are saying you are tiger, automatically they will come up and they will spread themselves as a sportsmaners. They can give good results, I mean glory for how much they can. They can perform very very well, I mean peak performance with their words only. So it can help athlete to change his or her thinking and behavior toward society, toward coaches, toward game. So it is the most important even for player and athlete and international level. At lower stages it works as a most successful tool for motivation for better performance in various sports. If you are saying ki you can do well, you are having so much capability, you are having good caliber, your team is very good, you are strengthened very well than other people's, automatically they will perform very well. To next is to provide best quality equipments, but this is very important. You see, I think you saw a film Pan Singh Tomar. Whenever he went to abroad in international level, whenever he was practicing in India in army, he don't have any kind of shoe. When he got chance to go in international arena, so coach said wear shoes. He said ki I practice without shoe, let me run without shoe. But coach said, but this is a glory of my nation, you have to wear shoe. So these things we have to inculcate at domestic level so that no problem will be there, or player should be habitual for that. So the player and athlete should be provided the best possible equipments, I mean latest equipments, so that they will not get any kind of injury, which they will help the athlete to avoid sports various injuries. Best and easy practice without any tension in mind. Good quality equipments argue the participant to participate in the activity, where as an old and substandard equipment may turn off the interest of an individual. I mean, you have to provide them latest equipments whatsoever all are using, then they can perform well and then they will habitual for that. Suppose my shoes are not good at international level, whenever I went to track and shoes are not good for running, automatically I cannot perform there in front of other athletes, I mean in comparison to other athletes. So beta, next is positive attitude and environment. This is very important even at home also nowadays. It is most important to have positive attitude toward environment for a successful training program. The coach and the trainee should have positive attitude toward each other. I mean, suppose I am your coach, I am daily I am telling you you are not good, you will lose the match easily, you cannot win a single match, you cannot win a two set even. So automatically I will discourage you always. You cannot motivate yourself with my words, and you will lose the match easily, because positive attitude is very very important, especially before the tournament. In mid I can say this is also a motivation, but during match also, if I am saying you are nothing in front of them, this opponent team is very very heavy, looking very very strengthened, they are very sharp than you people, automatically you will feel bored and you will feel shy, and they will defeat you easily. Otherwise we can, other words we can say, you can defeat yourself in your court always. So this kind of positive attitude toward each other, toward the activity also, the environment play a vital role to motivate any kind of team, any kind of players and athletes. Role of mass media, beta, role of mass media is a third eye of the nation, third eye of the world, we can, not nation. Television and newspaper play a very important role in motivation the players and teams. When media gives coverage and recognition to a performer before performance, during performance, after performance also, automatically sportsmen give boost, can get boost in their self confidence when they will read the newspaper. Suppose I am living in my village and my name in newspaper with my photographs, when my villager said, Ashwini sir, your name in paper and you did well for Himachal Pradesh, for Punjab, so automatically I will feel motivated over there. when they will clap for me whenever I am visiting any tournament. They are giving me clapping and all. So this kind of motivation is much required. This is a role of mass media. They have to inculcate these all the things properly for every athlete, those who are performing well at their levels. Role of spectator, this is very important. You see, without, suppose two wrestlers are doing wrestling, nobody is watching them. Suppose two athletes are running or jumping, nobody is watching them, so they will go after 1.5 hours. What they require, they require clapping always. What they require, people want to see, they want to see, spectators are watching us while performing and all. So that's why spectators are spectators are much affected for a better performance. Crowds play an important role in motivation the player and whole team member along with coaches. Good and positive and sensitive response of spectators encourage the sports person. Good and encourage, I mean, give coverage properly, spectator sports person to give their maximum, then they can perform very well. And next is grading of the player. Beta, this is very important. Classification of players or team on the basis of their performance. You see the World Cup also of football, you see the World Cup of volleyball, you see the World Cup of basketball. They are having gradation of the team, just like Brazil, Italy, Russia, America. They are having gradation of the team. Same in India also, just like Punjab police team, our army services team, our bank team. They are performing very well because they are motivating by the media, and also they are having gradation always in the society, in the tournament also. They are getting seeding also over there. All the players try to perform and give their best effort to achieve the best grade. You see, suppose next Olympic is coming after 1 year, so all teams will participate there, those who qualified for that. Those who will first 8 teams, they will get seeding next Olympic. So automatically all will try to come up. So that this is called grading of players and teams. Without this, they cannot perform well. So we will come to next page. So students, thank you very much. Today topic was motivation. Without motivation, we cannot live life even. We cannot play any game without motivation. We cannot go ahead without any kind of motivation. Motivation is playing a vital role in our whole life till birth to death, we can say. Without motivation, we cannot give good performance and all. So this is the major factor of the life also. So keep motivate yourself wherever you are staying nowadays. Give motivation to your parents also from this crisis and all whatsoever we are facing nowadays. I mean, COVID-19, we will come up. This is also called motivation. If anybody is saying this is very crucial stage, and automatically you will feel depressed over there. So please follow this properly, and hope so you understood this all the lecture and all. If you have any queries regarding that, you can ask anytime, anywhere, even telephonically also, even WhatsApp message you can provide me. So beta, I hope so you all feeling well, and start workout at home, as I told you earlier so many times in my lecture also. Do it practically also, and keep healthy, stay healthy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.